Hey, man.
Watch out!
Woopecker.
It's a woodpecker from space! I didn't know the reason why. Still dark outside, but yet a light, and I heard a funny cry. I was jumping out of bed and put my head against the door. This time I was okay, I heard that funny cry once more. It was a funny-looking bird that used to right before my eyes. With his waist-shoot and a laser gun, he was only passing by. I was looking at his face, but he was right in front of me. I was hypnotized by his eyes, and he told me where